So we are here at Caesar's Palace, ladies and gentlemen. A palace for Caesar, or me. And so, time for our room video. I am just getting into this room, so I will discover it with you. Caesar's Palace has approximately 87 hotel towers, or it feels that way. And you can see several of them out through the window here. We're pretty low. It's a great view of the pool, but obviously here in January, not a lot of people at the pool. I think that's the oldest tower over there. But anyway, this is the Octavious Tower, which is quite a hike from the hotel entrance, but I need to walk. And we're in room 5257, and by we, I mean me, in the Octavious Tower. And it's very nice. I think this is the most recently built of the Caesar's Palace towers, though they have renovated several of the previously constructed towers since then. But it's pretty nice. We have a little Keurig coffee maker. So I might have to buy myself some little pods. I think you can get the pods off the minibar, but I suspect it's kind of expensive. We have something here that you can get a glass of wine, which I also assume you have to pay for, but that's unusual. There's a mini fridge, but of course it's also stocked with an enormous number of foods and beverages that you can pay for. This is my first time ever staying at Caesar's Palace, because normally I don't get free rooms at places like this, but it's a rather quiet few days here in Las Vegas. Great, the jacuzzi type tub, and me. Got nice dual vanities here. It's a very large room, as you can tell. Plenty of room. I'll be here for 3 nights, so I guess I can enjoy it. And that's the toilet. Separate shower with my not so favorite rainforest or rain shower head. Shower. Don't have any fancy robes in here, unfortunately. It's an ironing board I will never use. A good size safe. You've got a lot of valuables. When I go down and win hundreds of thousands in cash that I have to bring up here in a suitcase, it will in fact fit. And then we kind of passed over, but a really nice little living area. So you could definitely have a few people over, have some drinks before going out or going to the casino or whatever. So anyway, this is the Octavious Tower, room 5257, Caesar's Palace, Las Vegas. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel.